Today I'm doing a quick readiness test. I want to check where that is located on the scanners. On the Ansel that I have, I went ahead and scanned everything. As you can see, everything is green. I did have an engine electronics for the intake. I was working on that the other day. I cleared it, but so if we go in here, engine electronics, there is a readiness test right in here. And as you can see, that's where the readiness test is for this one. The car is cold, so I haven't started it, and you can see the EGR pass, everything. Catalytic converter failed because I haven't turned the car on. But I just want to show you where that is, because compared to the Innova, you can see that you do have an IM readiness test here. If I can see it. System status, I believe it was, but then it'll show you here and up here. Well, actually, I can turn it on. So let's go to system. Let me go back. Okay, we'll just do the Mazda since that's what we got. Well, I'm not plugged to anything, so we'll leave it at that. But the point I'm trying to make is that it'll show you right here and data codes. So I believe it was system status. Can't remember, but we'll do it in a second. Okay, so I have the Innova 5610 here, and remember I did change the valve cover with the PCV, so that's what is showing me right now as far as the IM monitors. And that's because, well, the car is cold and I haven't driven the car, so that's what you're gonna see on your IM monitors. So it's kind of nice that it shows you right away. I just turned it on not too long ago. But let's go to system OBD global. Let's go ahead and do that. No power DTC, so freeze frame data is present stored in the vehicle. So let's see, let's look at live data. And this is what's nice about this one. It's just like a button push away. You don't have to go through everything in order to see it. So there we go. Fuel system 1, 2. Value, engine coolant temp 185. That's what the other one told me. Short-term fuel trim bank minus 0.8%. Long fuel 0.0. Intake manifold absolute pressure 9. Engine RPM 680. Vehicle speed sensor 0. I'm stopped. Ignition timing advance cylinder 1.5 minus 1. Intake air temperature 124. Airflow rate flow mass airflow sensor. It's like a tongue twister. 0.29. Absolute throttle position sensor 11.8%. Commanded secondary status. Location oxygen sensors OS 11, 12, and 13. Not sure how many he has on there. Thought it was just 1 or 2. Okay, bank 1, sensor 2. Trim bank 1, sensor 2. Bank 1, sensor 2. Short-term fuel trim. Okay, that's 2 different items there. Voltage by 1, sensor 3.45. Fuel trim, fuel trim 99.2, which is the same as the first one. LVD requires to switch vehicle is the sign, what? Okay, time since engine start, 1478 seconds. Distance traveled, 0 miles. Like I said, I haven't used the car. Command, reparative clutch. Barrel warm up since diagnosis trouble codes 1. The metric pressure Lambda 0.9, sensor 1, catalytic 656, temperature. So again, this is kind of nice because I can just plug it in and look at the live data real quick without having to go with all the other menus. And as you saw on the other video of my Ansel, that thing isn't even working correctly. So throttle. And this should be the last one, 40. Yep. So let's go ahead and graph 2 graphs. All right. And you can start looking at all the graphs from here. You see the corner there, number 3. Okay, we're not going to go through all that, so I'm going to go back. Let's go back to the system status menu, live data. Not live data, take me back. All right, let me see if I can get back in here. Okay. There we go. DT codes, first frame, that's where we go up there. Let's go ahead and erase all DTCs, clear all DTCs. First frame, yeah, let's go ahead and erase all DTCs. Erase successful. The car was on, but I'm back in the same thing because again I haven't driven it. So we'll leave it at that for this video.